Small businesses employ millions and create more than half of private and non-farm gross domestic product, but thin profit margins make them less likely to offer affordable health care and other benefits to employees. Part of the Affordable Care Act aims to counter the problem with a significant new tax credit for small business owners who do provide health insurance for their employees. A new report released today shows how the tax credit can help. SNN Local News 6 reporter Jim Spiewak explains.
The report, titled Good Business Sense, was released by the consumer group Families USA. Their goal, to get as many small businesses and employees educated so that they can take full advantage of the benefits of the tax credit. Good Business Sense, a fitting name for a report released Wednesday outlining the positive effects of the small business health care tax credit in the Affordable Care Act. According to the report, millions of Americans and small business owners are eligible to take advantage of new tax credits that provide help with the cost of health insurance premiums.
In the year 2000, 65% of the American public received health coverage through the workplace. 10 years later, in 2010, it was 55%.
Businesses that have fewer than 25 full-time workers and average wages less than $50,000 will now receive a tax credit of up to 35% of the cost of health insurance they provide to workers.
This tax credit was designed to provide the biggest impact to smaller businesses and those with lower wage employees with a tighter profit margins. So it was designed to directly have an impact on where the problem is the greatest right now.
In a state like Florida, this provision is worth up to $1 billion and can help over 220,000 small businesses.
In Florida, those small businesses eligible for the tax credit employ more than 1.4 million workers.
According to the report, almost 60% of small business owners say they've never heard of the tax credit and had no idea they were eligible.
There are thousands of small business owners out there, hundreds of thousands, who qualify for the credit, but because they don't know, they're not taking it. But they don't know they're not taking advantage of it.
Nationwide, the tax credit is worth over $15 billion for 19 million small businesses. And the $1 billion that Florida workers are eligible for works out to an average tax credit of $765 per employee. Reporting in Sarasota, Jim Spiewak, SNN Local News 6.
Now for tax years 2012 and 2013, the maximum credit is 35% for small business employers. In 2014, the rate will increase to 50%.